Kia ora everybody. Today I'm just going to take a few moments to talk to you very briefly about the Assessment Resource Bank. I'm going to show you how you can register to use the Assessment Resource Bank. I'm going to show you the concept maps and how to search specific assessment tasks within the bank. Firstly, I recommend that you register to use the Assessment Resource Bank by clicking on the Register button at the top of the screen. You just follow the instructions contained within. It's super straightforward. The next thing I wanted to show you is the home page of the Assessment Resource Bank and the raft of very valuable information contained there. I particularly love these concept maps, and there's a raft of concept maps that have been put together to show the thinking within specific elements of the NZC. Okay. Finally, I wanted to show you how you can do a search to find specific activities. Let's go to the Maths ARBs and we can do an advanced search. I'm going to choose number and algebra. I'm going to choose number strategies and curriculum level 4, and I would like a pencil and paper activity search. Here we can see these are the activities available according to my search. Let's look at this one, bus prices. We can see it's at curriculum level 4 and that there is a digital version or a paper version. So if I click on this, it'll take us to the specific task. Oh, whoops, I have to log in first. Here it is here. Here's the task. I just wanted to show you what's super useful down the bottom is there's an overview, a little bit of information on using this resource. This part's really useful, connecting to the curriculum, and we can see here the tasks have been mapped to the learning progression framework. For example, this task is it's either set 7 or set 8 depending on how the student solves different questions within. There's information on marking and there's information on working with students. So it's really, really useful. You can create your own folders within the Assessment Resource Bank and save specific tasks to these. Or you can also go to the student resource here, and if you were choosing to use the digital version, this is where you would go to get that. Okay, so today I've briefly talked to you about how you can sign up to register your own account with the Assessment Resource Bank, how to look at the concept maps that are contained on the home page of the Resource Bank, and how to search specific tasks within the Resource Bank. One encouragement I have, if you are searching tasks, is to ensure you choose something that is a rich learning experience, so that you can clearly see student thinking within that. Thanks for your time.